Will Shedeur be the Browns starter week 1?
Yes, he's the most talented quarterback in that room. Look, I had him at the bottom of the first, top of the second. Ironically, I compared him to Kirk Cousins. Kirk Cousins had a great career in Minnesota with offensive coordinator Kevin Stefanski, now the head coach of the Cleveland Browns. Whatever happened in the draft to me is ancient history. Shedeur Sanders on Saturday night should have been calling the skilled players of the Cleveland Browns saying, hey, here I come, and start developing a relationship. If I'm the Browns, I either keep Joe Flacco or Kenny Pickett as my veteran guy. I took Dylan Gabriel in the 3rd round, who's a nice player, not a lot of upside, but I really need to know what I have in Shedeur Sanders because next year I have 2 first-round picks. And if I can win with Shedeur, I could get a massive haul for those picks, given all those other quarterbacks that are available. So if I'm Shedeur, whatever happened, lessons learned, and just move forward